Hello, good afternoon, mayang hapon, buenas tardes con ustedes. Guys, this is our going 6 months na yung mga breeders natin. So today, we will be transferring them in their new breeding pen. Ito yung itsura. Lalagyan pa namin ng mga lapal para hindi sila masyadong mahanginan. Pero as of today, since they're going 6 months na, by the end of February, ready for breeding na. So we are transferring them dito sa breeding pen nilang bago. Okay, tingnan natin. Ayan guys, sinagagate na natin. This is D102. So 5 hens and isang rooster. Dito sa second pen, same. Ito yung D102 pa rin, dominant white, dominant brown, sorry, yung dominant brown. Dito naman sa next pen, ito yung dominant black natin, Rhode Island Red and Guard Lemon Rock. Ito naman si D843C. Yan, isang pen lang sila. Again, ito yung D109 natin and another one for D109. Okay, hopefully makapag-produce tayo ng maraming inasal type na chicken, yung mga lalaki, and as well as layer type ng mga hens. So in about months from now, we'll be able to produce pang sarili lang muna natin, for own consumption, kasi magpapa tayo layer, and yung mga rooster naman, we will be using them for sa resto natin for inasal. So but anyways, after that, kung nakuha na natin yung target ng number of layers na gusto natin, so we will be open for selling sa mga gustong layer. So we'll be announcing it to the public also as well. So sa ngayon, we'll be focusing doon sa sarili nating produce. Thank you. I will be giving more update sa ating farming life. Thank you so much. Ito si Big Bulb Farm, Tito Jules Farm, dito sa Sanito.